open a coding tutorials, 5 minutes in, you close it. Sound familiar? That used to happen every single day. Not because coding was hard, because the start was wrong. Jumping straight into syntax without understanding what the code was even doing, it felt like reading a book in a language you never learned. Then one thing changed. Stop learning code. Start learning how to think. Have you ever understand the concept but still could not write the code? Comment think right now. You're not alone in this. Here's what actually work. Number first, explain the feature out loud in simple words before touching the code. Second, draw the steps on paper or your notebook or in a laptop like a flowchart. No syntax needed. Third, then ask AI to write it, read it, and understand it. Learn from it. This is how you learn coding fast in 2026. Tech mindset comes before code always. Comment TechMind before below. 20 comments and a full video drop. Real breakdown. How to build develop mindset from zero. No experience needed. Works for mobile app development. Works for freelancing in 2026. Save this, send it one person who quit coding because it felt too hard.